Hello Tech Explorers, want to give your Telegram chat a fresh new look? I got you. In just few taps, you will learn how to change your chat background like a pro. Let's go. First, open Telegram and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Go to Settings, then tap Chat Settings. Here, you will see the option Change Chat Wallpaper. Tap on it. Now, browse through Telegram's built-in themes or select a custom image from your gallery. You can even apply blur effects, motions, or solid colors for extra customization. What's your favorite chat background? Minimalist or colorful? Drop your answer in the comments below. Once you have found the perfect background, tap on Set Background, and that's it. Your chat now looks awesome. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.